Hello, welcome to 4-H activities for your club from A to Z. My name is Melinda Ryan with the OSU Extension in Champaign County. So it's unfortunate that we had to cancel a High 4-H conference, but we do get to give you a small taste of what some of the sessions were going to be. This one's going to be a little bit difficult because it was meant for multiple numbers of people, but I will share with you today the booklet that I was going to pass out to you with lots of games. So it has activities you can do with your club from A to Z. It shows in there your 8 key elements of positive youth development and how we can use those during your club times. So as you can see, there's activities all about you, birdie on a perch. Most of these do not need a lot of materials to do. Some of them you can do just keep this little packet in your bag or whatever it is, notebook you take to your meetings. And if you need something fun to do, an icebreaker or get to know you activity, they're all in here. And it's explained pretty well how to do each one. There are a few activities where you'll need some materials, but be sure to plan ahead of time for those. And I made mention of 2 words. I don't know if you picked up on, but icebreaker and get to know you games. So there is a difference between the two. An icebreaker you typically use in a group where people don't know one another very well. So you want to play some things that will make them relax, make them come out of their comfort zone, and just give the whole room or feel that, hey, it's okay, we're going to have a good time together today and we're going to get to know each other. The more get to know you games can be more specific. You might actually be in somebody's comfort zone. And these are typically games that are used when a group of people know each other well already. So again, at the beginning of the year for your clubs, you're going to use more icebreaker type games, and toward the end of the club year, then you're going to use more of the get to know you games or just the fun games. There's team building activities in here. There's different challenges. Over and unders, always a fun one to do. The parachute games, only if you have a parachute. Some extension offices have those and they will loan them out. What I do with my clubs is if there's something they want here and there are materials, I have so they can check them out of the office, use them for the weekend or however long they need for a couple club meetings. Again, you best thing to do is just read through some of these and we'll have a good time playing with them. So let me stop this. Stop share. There we go. So on the screen is my information. This is the office number and my email. So if you would like to contact me, I can email you a copy of the booklet with all the different games in there. And then if you have questions about any specific ones, please feel free to give me a call. So I hope you all stay safe and have a great year with your 4-H clubs. And now that we are doing virtual meetings, it can be a fun way for kids to utilize their technology expertise, make some videos, share some education, share some fun, share some bloopers. So again, stay safe and have a great day.